Dear students, this is a revision test based on the language components. This will definitely give you a good practice of the language components which will help you for your final examination. We will start with the revision test questions. The first one is punctuations. Remember to use the commonly used punctuation which we had discussed in a few of the previous sessions, like capital letter, full stop, comma, inverted commas, question mark, and an exclamatory mark also. So try to use a few of them which are appropriate in the sentences. First sentence, well, buy it when we get back to Cartagena, said Toto's dad. Second one, it's a proof to their maturity, he said. Now after punctuation, it is framing questions. When you have to frame questions, remember two questions to be framed, WH question and yes no question. When you get underlined words, frame WH question, otherwise it will be yes no question. The first one mentioned here, Toto's mother was against making debts for pleasure. Toto's mother is underlined. So here you need to frame a question to get the underlined words as the answer. Second one, the family lives together in Madrid on the 5th floor of 47 Castellana Road. The 5th floor of 47 Castellana Road is underlined. So frame a question to get this underlined words as answer. Third one, yes, the father gifted the boat. Here convert into yes no question. Fourth one, yes, the children broke the lamps in the living room. You will have to convert into yes no question. Now after this, it's use of negatives. In this topic, remember the three words no, never and not. If you have to make a negative sentence, use one of them. If you have to make either an affirmative sentence or an assertive sentence, you will have to use one of these words. You will have to remove one of these words from the negative sentence to make affirmative or assertive sentence. The first sentence, freedom is not required to be happy, convert into affirmative. So you need to remove the negative word from the sentence. Second one, can't they get a teaching position, convert into affirmative. Third one, the parents want a party at home, convert into negative. Fourth one, they use the light to navigate around their home every Wednesday. So you'll have to convert into negative sentence. Now the next topic is linkers. Linkers, as you already know, they also mean conjunctions. Now the choice is given to you below. Choose the right conjunction and fill the blanks. Dash Toto, dash Joel won a gold gardenia. Second one, Kapil worked hard, dash failed. Next one, dash it is dangerous to skate on thin ice. He accepted the challenge. Last one, he is poor, dash he is honest. Next one is reading comprehension. So read and understand the passage and answer the questions which follow the passage. The passage runs like this. One day when Newton was 50 years old and had been hard at work, more than 20 years studying the theory of light, he went out of his chamber, leaving his little dog asleep before the fire. On the table lay a heap of manuscripts containing all his discoveries which he had made during those 20 years. When his master was gone, up rose little Diamond, jumped up on the table and knocked down the lighted candle. The papers immediately caught fire. Just as the destruction was complete, Newton opened the chamber door and noticed that his labor of 20 years was reduced to ashes. There stood little Diamond, the author of all the mischief. Almost any other man would have sentenced the dog to immediate death. But Newton patted him on the head with his usual kindness, although grief was at his heart. "Oh, Diamond, Diamond," exclaimed he, "thou little knowest the mischief thou hast done." This incident affected his health and spirit for some time afterwards. But from his behavior towards the little dog, you may judge the sweetness of his temper. Now, the questions based on this passage are like this. For how long did Newton work on the theory of light? What do you learn about Newton's temperament from this incident? What did the manuscripts on the table contain? What did Little Diamond do when his master went out of the room? How did Newton treat the dog after the mishap? So answer these questions precisely, as these are 1-mark questions. So let it not be very descriptive when you are answering. All the best. Thank you very much.